can't quite believe what I just watched. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and sometimes it doesn't even need a politician to bring drones into disrepute. There's a viral video circulating at the moment on all social media platforms which originates from an Instagram page called The Zach Myers. He's a mid-20s American guy who from his Instagram page looks to be intelligent and successful, but actually if you look at this originating video, you might change your mind. The video shows a rather empty party with a drone hovering above, which appears to be a DJI Mavic. Attached to that drone is a firework, which starts launching fireworks towards an individual at pretty close range. In fact, there are actually a couple of direct hits, after which that individual hides under the table. Now we assume that this is a private party, but that is irrelevant because as soon as that drone is in the air, attached with fireworks, it becomes a risk to the general public, and that drone could easily lose control. The fireworks could easily launch in an unexpected direction as well. A direct hit from one of those fireworks in the eye could easily result in losing an eye. It could also cause serious burns and damage to property and people in the surrounding neighbourhood. It's just bloody irresponsible. We keep reading about these news stories of the press and media and the general public persecuting drones and drone operators for being irresponsible and dangerous. Well, videos like this do us no favours at all. And when airspace regulators such as the FAA or the CAA see this kind of content, it simply gives them evidence and justification to add regulation to an already regulated industry. If we also look back at that BBC documentary just recently about weaponising drones, well, what more evidence do they need than silly videos like this? Because that firework could easily be a gun. This video clearly shows that drones can be weaponised. It might only be a firework, but that firework could still cause a lot of harm and injury if it was flown into a public area or an airport. Luckily, the vast majority of drone operators would never do anything this stupid, especially if there was a risk of it endangering life. It has been shared on social media platforms, and some of the comments you would hope are condemning the video, but actually the top comments on this video are the opposite. Nick Garza commented,
"I've never wanted to own a drone before this very moment."
Scott Speed wrote,
"I get so many good ideas from the Barstool page."
Daniel Hatfield wrote,
"I'm thankful to be alive for this. Freaking awesome."
And Greg Lamb wrote,
"This is awesome. Best use of a drone ever."
These are not children commenting, they're adults. Grow the f up and think about how this impacts not just drones, but also operators of drones like me and the hundreds of thousands of people globally that love flying them. I don't want to give this guy's video any more traffic or attention, but I have to bring to light to the drone community that we condemn this video. We don't praise it, we don't think it's awesome, we think it's bloody stupid. So please click on that link and tell that guy what you think, but also more importantly, report that video and let's get it taken down. What do you think? Comment below, give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and for flying safely.